classmates. Kuwan lang tayo, simple office tour. Nagalit na si Cheryl, ayaw daw niya ng vlog. Eto si Miss Carla Joyce Garcia, ang recruit ng ating classmate, si Ma'am Rio Malyari. Anong nickname niya, Cheryl? Lala. Si Ma'am Lala. Kasama nila CEO Cal Jun sa MDRT Convention. Ito ang aming manager. Office manager, si Cheryl. Pagpupunta kayo rito, pag tinanong kayo sa lobby, sa reception area, pakisabi lang kay pa rin. Wala rito si favorite volleyball player natin, si Eliza Ali. Okay, so aside from this table, blocks, meron tayong magandang meeting room, good for 10 persons. So yeah, ganda ng office, ganda small pero sakto lang. And eto ang view overlooking dun is the Ayala Alabang subdivision. Dun banda is the SM South Mall. Dito sa baba yung mga golfers, meron tayo ritong driving range. Eto isa sa mga magandang condo rito, Vivant. And ayan, pag magkapera tayo, maganda magkaroon ng share sa Palms Country Club. So ang ganda, nakaka-relax, no? Pag ganitong view mo, office mo ganito, relaxing. Andyan yung may ibang building dito sa Philinvest Corporate City. So yan, mga kaibigan, konting office tour. So tara na, mandalaw kayo. Dito tayo mag brainwashing, brainstorming kasama. Andito na pala 2025 $1 million round table qualifying member, Miss Lala Garcia, and the recruiter is Miss classmate natin, Miss Rio. Okay guys, see you around. Thank you.
You let me build up my feelings, you shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know It's easier than fighting, but now, no. Yes, always have the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.